Shabbat Shalom. As a Jewish American, I have great pride in both of those heritages. Sometimes when America does something exceptional, or Americans do something that contributes to the culture or world at large, I have great pride. And other times when there are Jewish Americans who make contributions in significant ways, or where Jewish values are elevated in our country, I feel that Jewish pride. Both of them are an important part of who I am. Justice Louis Brandeis liked to say that to be a better Jew is to be a better American. And I do believe that. Usually these prides of my identities are somewhat separated. But this past week, on Monday night, when I was able to attend the Hanukkah candlelighting at the White House, both of them swelled with great simultaneous pride. To be there in the White House and to walk around the rooms, mostly decorated for Christmas, but yet with a Hanukkah that had been built specifically for this event by the White House carpenters and would now be a White House official Hanukkah, I felt this overwhelming sense of pride of being a Jewish American. And when we lit the candles and sang those blessings and the Hebrew resonated throughout the halls, it was something spectacular.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lehadlik ner shel Hanukkah.
There with several hundred other Jewish people from America, to be there with representatives of Congress, all celebrating this Jewish moment. When in the story of Hanukkah, the Maccabees, they asserted their Jewish pride. And they fought against an alien force that sought to wipe that out. When Hanukkah coincides with Christmas, I often see it as a great opportunity to reflect on how we are able to live together when we have different values. This year, the final candle will be lit on Christmas. Unfortunately, we often focus on the differences that we have. And America is a country with different religions, ethnicities, and very strong political opinions. And yet we focus on too often those differences rather than the things that unite us. If we actually would talk, we'd find out that there are more things that unite us, I believe. And so I think that there's much to learn from the lighting of the Hanukkah on Christmas. Two occasions coming together when we can find the commonalities of goodness to make a difference. Then the lights of our holidays, right? Both of them known as the Festival of Lights. Holidays that share actually a common link to an earlier holiday of the pagans that celebrated the winter solstice. Each of us borrowing from the traditions around us and finding meaning in being a light. We all have the potential to be a light. And when we can stand together with others, that light can shine brighter. On this Shabbat of Hanukkah, I wish you a Shabbat of peace and of light and of harmony, perhaps. Let us pray for that on this Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom.